What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every one of you guys. You guys are awesome for coming along and supporting the channel, watching all my content. I do this for you guys. So you guys are awesome. Thank you, Turtlewax, for sponsoring this video. This is a sponsored video. They did send me this product. Initially, this was supposed to be an unboxing, but somehow transferring the SD card to my phone, it completely erased the video. So my apologies there. So let's dive right into this. This is the all-new Turtlewax Hybrid Solutions ceramic black polish and wax. I'm going to try to make this video short, but they were kind enough to reach out to me and send me this package. I received it earlier today at work, and I was really excited to get home and unbox this and check it out for myself. So I want to show you guys what this kit contains. For one, have a look at that box. Super slick, super nice. I really like a company that can not only listen to the people that use their products, take all that information and input, put it back into their products to produce such great products. So Turtlewax, you guys are awesome. I personally, as a weekend warrior and enthusiast, when I receive products and they're in this nice case and they just look beautiful, I mean, look at that. That presentation is, it's got a nice velvet back. I mean, to me, that says a lot about the company and how they really care about their products and getting the products into people's hands and having them test them and give them their feedback and taking all that into consideration. It's just awesome to me and in my opinion. And this kit is sweet. I'm excited. Here's the new. Start with the ceramic acrylic black polish. Now these are specially formulated for black paint. So I'm gonna have to find a black card to test these on, and I already have one in mind. It's supposed to really, oh, it is black, as you guys can see. It is black. That's the polish. It's supposed to be formulated to give you that, let me grab a rag. It's supposed to be formulated to give you that deep gloss and that depth, that extra depth in black paint. And this here is the ceramic black wax, and it is, oh, let me open it real quick. You can see it is black. So it's supposed to have light filling capabilities as well to help give you that extra clarity, that depth and gloss in that black paint. And I'm really excited to test it out. Let's see what else we got in the kit. This kit here is going to come with a 5-inch orange pad, which is really nice. They actually provide you the pads with the kit. Has a nice Hybrid Solutions logo on the back of the pad. Got your 5-inch there. This pad here is a 6-inch. Same thing, it's got the Hybrid Solutions logo in the back. Really nice that they actually provide you with the pads as well. Comes with a nice foam applicator pad for hand applications as well. And then you got 2 black microfibers, nice microfibers in there with you to use with the kit, and of course a sticker. See, I'm kind of a nerd. I like stickers, so I look forward when companies put stickers with their products because I like to put it on display. I'm a sticker guy. You could say I'm weird, but hey, that's me. So, I mean, look at this kit. I mean, it's slick. It's got pads, comes in a nice carrying box. It's got stickers. It's got a nice suede top. I mean, Turtlewax, you guys did good on this one, for sure. That's really slick. I really like it, and I really am excited to test these products out. And I have a car in mind already in my head I told them I was receiving these products, and I said, hey, I need to use your car. It's a 2016 Honda Accord Sport, and the paint is hammered. It is in dire need of a polish. So, with that being said, that is going to be coming up soon on the channel. So you guys are going to want to make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because that detail on that car and polish is coming up soon. So, keep it short. Turtlewax, thank you so much for sending me this new line of products. You guys rock. I can't wait to test them out and give you guys my feedback and see what kind of results we can get out of these products. I want to thank you guys all for coming along and watching this video and supporting the channel. And make sure you stay tuned, because I'm going to test this stuff out. So thank you guys all. I hope you guys have an awesome day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at. And I will catch you guys all on the next video.